agents. So what I thought was, what if I could use each of these websites? One, I'm providing a mechanism for a kind of uniform way to interact with the website from the point of view of an agent versus a person. What information can I get? Where should it reside? And then other various options, right? So when the A2A specification came out yesterday, and I'd already been working on this, it's like, well, you know what? I can basically plug in all the capabilities I was about to build to basically create a kind of. Now it's reading the first step of the plan, the A2A integration. It's coming up with what basically the original plan was. And remember, I have different models for each of the steps. So for example, if I'm looking to save money, I might use the DeepSeek model for planning steps, and I might use a instruct model for the implementation steps, and that'll save me money. I'm also running this using Requesty, which is, stripping out extraneous things. In this case, I'm not using any actually MCP services, but if I was doing, let's say, a data-centric approach, let's say I want to use a Postgres database, I might include my Supabase MCP server and have it build out all the roles and data structures and whatever using that MCP as part of the process. But in this case, I mostly just want this to be a client-side tool that you can run in your browser to get this tool up and running. So if you're vibe coding anything, the unit test is the two most important part, planning and testing. If you don't have a plan, you're gonna get garbage. If you don't have a test, you don't even know what that garbage is. So the tests the plan is prerequisite, and the tests you just can't build anything without them. But otherwise, you're fully automated at this point. Now, in my vision, as soon as I saw this, I'm like, well, what if every website could have agents alongside of the traditional website itself that can do tasks and collaborate with other agents on other websites? That's what A2A does.
But if you kind of see that form that is going to run on each website will have kind of two parts. One is MCP kind of part, which will publish its resources and capabilities. And on the other side, negotiate with on the A2A side with other agent to say, "Well, this is what I have, this is how what I can do, and these are the things that I can use from other website to